Alright, so this is what it's like when it comes time to removing your wrap from your cup. So this has been on here for a week or two. Should have been sealed by now. It should be really well on there. So we'll go through the process of removing it. Usually what you do is you take a corner. You find a corner to pick at. Seam helps. And you get a nice little lip right there. Then you dig in. And you just peel. Now, as you can see, there's some residue left behind. I don't know if it's too shiny to see, but see, residue's left behind. All you gotta do, spray it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I have rubbing alcohol here in this bottle. Let it sit and soak for a little bit. And then you just come back with, I'm gonna use my microfiber cloth here. And just wipe it down. As you can see, it balls up. Here, I'll spray it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and rub it with my finger. You can see better. But yeah, the microfiber cloth just bites right onto it, especially when the rubbing alcohol dissolves it and loosens it up like that. You can see here all the little glue balls from where the rubbing alcohol dissolved it. Actually, I think I'll be using a shop towel so I can keep that cloth cleaner. Yep, there you go. All clean, ready for a new skin to be applied to it. And that's all there is to that.